Hey guys, welcome to our channel codersarcade. This is Ashank David, and in today's video, we are going to understand how in 2025 you can install Power BI into your systems, into your Windows system. So if you have Windows 11 or Windows 10, the same process will follow throughout to install Power BI in 2025. So let's get right into the concept. So guys, right now I am onto my Windows 11 desktop, and as you can see here that I have not installed Power BI right now. What I'm going to do is, if you want to install Power BI into your system, is then what you need to do is you need to look for Microsoft Store. As you can see down below, my cursor is pointing towards Microsoft Store. If in your system this is not pinned, then you can just go to search bar and then search for Microsoft Store, and this will pop up. What you need to do is you need to click open that, and this Microsoft Store will get opened up. Here you need to search for Power BI. And once you search for Power BI, here you will see that Power BI desktop shows up. This Power BI desktop is the free version of Power BI that we are going to use throughout our Power BI course that we are going to create soon. And this is going to be the first video for the installation. So this is where we will install. This is what we will actually install into our systems if you want to learn Power BI for free in 2025. So you just have to click install. So I'll just click on to install right here. So it will first say getting things ready. It is right around 1 GB of setup file that will get downloaded, and you don't have to worry about doing any setup. It will, because this is like a Play Store in your Android phone, or if you're using iPhone, you use App Store, right? So just how you install apps from your Play Store or App Store in your respective devices, either in Android or iOS, things get directly downloaded there. Similarly, here Microsoft Store is also the app store for Windows, and when we download anything from this place, automatically it gets installed without you installing it, manually, without any installation wizard. So as you can see here, it may take some time. It may take some for a while. As you can see, it is like 1.5 GB to be downloaded. So once it get downloaded, you can just simply search for Power BI desktop onto your again start menu, and it will come up. You can open up, and that's how you install it. For those people who are not having a Microsoft Store installed in their Windows, even if you have Windows 10, or even if you have Windows 11, even if you have older version of Windows, you will have Microsoft Store in it installed. But if it is not, by chance, if there is any person who doesn't know how to open Microsoft Store, then they can use the traditional method. We can go to Google and we can search for download Power BI desktop. And this will go to this website right here. We will click onto our first link itself, and you can see that it takes us to the Microsoft Power BI web page. Here you can just select the language you want. We will select English, and then we can just click on to download. Now it asks us which file to download. Now there are two files. That is PBI, that is Power BI Desktop Setup, that is for 700 MB, and Power BI Desktop for x64. So if your system is 64 bits operating system, then you can select this and click in download. Or otherwise, if it's an older version, then you can just click on to this version. Now, how to understand which version Windows is installed into your system? You can just go to, what you can say is, you can search for about your PC into your start menu. You can just search for this in your search bar. If you click onto this about your PC, it will show you, for my system, it is 64-bit operating system. This is the case where we will see. So from here only you can easily get to know what device system is this, and according to that you can just select that and just click on to download, and it'll ask you where you need to download. We will just save that download like this, and it'll start getting downloaded right up there. So guys, I'll just cancel it because I'm already getting installed it from my Microsoft Store, and it is so far 600 MBs installed. So we'll fast forward this process and then I'll show you. So guys, as you can see, it is installed, I can just click on to open. Either you can open it from here, or if you don't want to open it again and again from Microsoft Store, you can just simply go to start, and you can just recently get it from here, or you can just search for Power BI desktop, and as soon as you open it, you see Power BI desktop will open up into your system. Now more on to how to work with Power BI desktop, I will be creating another separate video on Power BI that is going to be coming very soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. How to work with Power BI. I'll create a separate playlist of a Power BI course that we'll be creating for 2025. So stay tuned for that, guys. Well, I hope so. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you have understood this video very well. And if you have any doubts installing Power BI, you can ask in the comment section below. And if you have any problems, you can tell us that. If you have liked this video and found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon also, so that you won't miss any future update. Well, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching again. This is Ashank David signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until, take care. Happy learning.